Namaste, welcome to Lovely TV. This is Hasan. Today's topic is about bedroom in wrong places can lead to losses or depressions. That's gonna tell you why, Mr. Mayank sir. Hi sir,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
So we have 16 directions. Out of 16 directions, in which direction we have to build the bedroom and what are the benefits?
See, bedroom, you are using it to relax, to recharge your body, to rejuvenate, and also important activities to let go of your thoughts. Throughout the day, whatever thoughts you have come across, some are good, some are bad. The bad ones you need to let go so that you can next day you can start afresh. Okay, so there are certain zones. If you put your bedroom over there, it will help you, and particular direction can help as per profession also. So for example, if you have the south is one of the finest direction for a bedroom because it is the direction of fame and relaxation. So sleeping here gives you a lot of relaxation. Southwest, again, it is majorly used by people as a master bedroom. So yes, a very big yes for a southwest bedroom. Then you can have it in the north, you can have it in the east, you can have it in the west. West is for the profit and gains. Then students can have it in the west of southwest. This is a direction between the southwest and the west. And you can also have it in the south of southeast, the direction between the southeast and the south. Then we'll coming to the northwest. Those who are lagging support, banking and support, they can have it in the west, northwest, sorry. And those who want profits and gains in life, they can have it in the western part of your house.
Now you said about the requirement where should we build the bedroom.
Yes.
Where should not build the bedroom.
So as the topic says, a wrong bedroom can lead to depressions or losses. So the very first direction which comes to our topic today is the south of southwest. This is the one of the most dangerous zone for a bedroom. South of southwest is the zone between the southwest and the south. This is a zone of losing out as well as expenditure. So any person sleeping here or spending like 6 to 8 hours per day here, they will tend to lose out things. They will tend to lose out their health. They will tend to lose out their money. They will tend to lose out all the good opportunities in their life. This is a zone of disposal. So south of southwest is best for the toilet, not for the bedroom. This is the first big no-no. Second, we have the area between the west and the northwest. This is called west of northwest, and its attributes are depression and detoxification. If you're already depressed, you can spend some time here, say half an hour a day. You can spend here and you can let things go off your mind. But spending long durations here while sleeping is not recommended at all. Otherwise, you will get trapped into depression. Then we have the east of southeast. East of southeast is the zone between the east and the southeast. And keeping your head here while sleeping will not let you sleep as soon as you touch your bed. This is zone of churning and analysis. So once you sleep here, once you lie down here, you will keep on thinking, your mind will keep on thinking about something, churning, trying to figure out things deep. That's the reason it is good for researchers for the working, but not for people sleeping. It will not let you sleep or have a sound sleep. You may also observe that suddenly in the middle of the night, you wake up thinking about something. Okay, so here again, it is a big no. Then the northeast. Bedroom is also a place for bed pleasures. Northeast is a zone where we can connect to the God. So both these things do not go. So avoid having bedroom in the northeast.
Can we place any Devdas photos in the bedroom?
Okay, this is also observed. People tend to put photographs of the God and the godly figures. We say a big no to that. Avoid having God and godly figures, statues or photographs of gods here in the bedroom. You can have a symbol which represents the holiness. For example, an Om or a swastik or a cross. Of course, you can put, but no godly figures, no photographs of God and goddesses.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for spending your time with us.
You're welcome.
For personal Vastu remedies and consultant, you can contact to the below number. If you have any questions or doubts, you can comment in the comment section. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.